Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to sign in to your NYT Games application using your mobile device. To sign into your NYT Games app, first of all, open up the NYT Games application from your app drawer. This will open up your first interface for NYT Games. To log into an existing account, choose the second option, that is, already have an account log in. Now, there are different ways you can log into your NYT application. The first one is by email address, the second one is by Google, the third one is Facebook, and the last option is to continue logging in with Apple ID. Simply go ahead and select one of the options that you find comfortable with. I'm going to choose the email option. Type in the email address that is associated with your NYT application in the first text box. Once you type in your email, click on Continue with Email. On the next field, it will ask you to enter your password. Type in your correct password for your account. If you don't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions. After entering your password correct, you will then be logged into your NYT application. You will then be signed in just like that. So that's how you sign in to NYT Games in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.